Hey guys, what's up? So, this is the start of a new series that I'm doing with Calvin. This is Calvin. Say hi, Calvin.
Hi, Calvin.
This is documenting basically me and your us working together. I'm the trainer, he's the client. His process of getting fit and all that stuff, and you know, of course, following my fitness plan specifically. This is like the all-in package that I'm offering currently. Only this is like legit all-in because it's in person. He's local-ish, so we're working together in person and, you know, online as well. So it's a little bit of both, but
I can't get away with shit.
No. I know where you live. No, I don't actually. So yeah, we're gonna be starting together. Your plan will probably be starting as soon as this video is up. So this is 12 weeks of, you know, changing your fitness, health, and, you know, diet, all those sorts of things, cooking, shopping, all the things that are the most difficult part of, you know, changing up your...
It doesn't sound torturous at all.
It's not torture, it's just bettering yourself, getting healthy and that sort of thing. And my dog, Cody, not right now. So for this first episode, I guess we call it, this is gonna be a series, so episode 1, I'm kinda gonna go over with him how I would with any other client, which is by asking questions, like consultation questions that I would ask any client to start with, just to see where he's at, realistically, his goals, what he wants to get out of his training, how many days a week he's actually realistically available and willing to work out, just things like that. So I'm gonna jump into those questions, and whatever we miss we'll kind of cover a bit after that, and maybe just more information about you, but you will get some information from these questions. So I'm gonna jump into these questions. Question number 1.
All right.
What are your fitness goals?
Well, I would like to be able to run a marathon. No, I'm just kidding. I don't like cardio. Probably just to get back in shape. After recovering from surgery, I've kind of gotten used to sitting my butt on the couch and eating food that I probably shouldn't be eating. So just getting back into improving myself.
Kind of more like a restart,
yeah,
than like a complete overhaul. This question is, do you exercise regularly?
In like how long? Because I was, but I've also had some hiccups the past couple weeks.
So I'd say like regularly would be like at least 3 times a week.
Including the past couple weeks?
Let's just give that a no. Basically, I would feel like you could say yes to that if it was something that up to this day you were working out like at least 3 to 4 times a week.
Okay, yeah, then no.
Rate your overall activity level. Would you say it was moderately active or sedentary or?
I'd say I'm moderately active.
Okay. What do you like? What does your job entail?
It's running a lot of errands, so like going back and forth from floors and walking around a lot.
Okay. All right. Rate your ability to perform cardiovascular exercise.
Horrible.
Okay.
Horrible.
Horrible. Okay, we'll go with that. So I wouldn't start you out running like 5 miles a day or anything.
No. That's never had me running 5 miles.
Yeah, you know, if you hate running, that's not something that I will ever like force on somebody, because it has to be enjoyable enough for it to be sustainable. So if there's a form of cardio that you do enjoy, even if it's just walking, I would much prefer give you something that you're actually gonna do. So,
I can do walking.
Okay, so you're probably more of a walker, or if you haven't eaten in the gym and you're like, I really like the elliptical or the Stairmaster or whatever, then you can always switch it out, do what you enjoy most. Rowing, there's a lot of different ways to get cardio, it doesn't have to be running. Rate your...
Video games count?
No.
Damn it.
What do you think like your experience is with exercise? Would you say that you're intermediate, beginner, advanced?
I'd say I'm intermediate.
Okay, like you kind of know your way around a gym.
Yeah, I know way around a gym. I might not necessarily know the proper technique on stuff. I kind of just figure it out. So there's definitely things like I could be doing something wrong that maybe might be why I'm not making progress in certain areas.
Okay. What equipment do you have access to? I already know you. We work out basically at the same gym, so you will have access to.
I have no gym equipment.
Which is not a problem, by the way. If you don't have gym equipment, we can still train. We can still work together. But I know you have free weights, you have machines, you have cables, BOSU balls, kettlebells, TRX bands. Yeah, you got pretty much everything.
Yeah.
All right. Which days are you available to work out, and how many days a week, realistically, are you available to work out?
The hardest days are Tuesdays and Thursdays because those are band practice days.
Okay.
So those are pretty hard. But
Okay.
I can usually work around any other day.
Okay. Cool. Do you have any sorts of existing injuries, health issues that I should be aware of?
I do have flat feet, which makes it painful in running, which is why I avoid cardio. I'm also a heavy stepper, so like running, I end up like getting shin splints really bad.
Okay.
Other than that, I do have some pre-existing like back issues from soccer, so sometimes my back acts up and that kind of causes some issues.
Okay. So we'll make sure to. I am going to be giving you some like mobility stretching, which no one ever does it when I say you should.
It's because it's embarrassing. No one wants to be in the middle of weights and like.
You can do this at home.
That sounds too logical, Cody.
No equipment needed. You can stretch at home. You can do the mobility exercises like before you leave to the gym, or you can do them before at bed at night, or when you wake up, or anytime you have time. I'm just gonna suffocate all your excuses. So
You know what? That's good to know because I didn't realize that. I thought I had to do that like right before or after exercising. I was like, I don't want to do that with people watching me.
Oh no, you can do it anytime. Okay.
I don't want people checking out my butt.
That's the only reason I go to the gym. So just kidding. Do you smoke?
No.
Okay. Are there any other comments you would like to make regarding this training plan?
As long as there's like wiggle room in case something comes up, like if I get sick or something happens, that I'm not going to be able to make a
workout. Yeah, anything that like comes up, we can always adjust your schedule. We can, just move things around. It's not like cement where if you like miss a day, then it's like the end of the world. So just make sure to keep like talking to me. I think that's probably the hardest part about training sometimes is like people feel like they can't talk to me, and so then it just hinders themselves more by not saying anything to me. So like if something happens, or if you like hit some hiccups, or like your diet doesn't go as planned, then it happens. So talk to me about that. We can fix it. Don't worry. So yeah, the next 12 weeks are basically going to be an overhaul of everything. I will be giving you your workout plans and your diet plan, and we'll probably do some more videos of, maybe some workouts together, cooking, shopping, all that fun stuff. Kind of show a little bit more of like what this package entails, and then your progress on the way. Do you want to like tell anything else about yourself? Why you want to enter into
Look like Zac Efron?
He wants to look like Zac Efron. I don't know if I could do that, but
wow. You're not selling yourself. Wow.
I don't think he's that good looking. Is that hard to say? He kind of looks like a Barbie or Kendall. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
He's like too perfect.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, so if you want to like give a little bit of background of your life for people.
Well, I was born in Washington.
Sit tight, people.
It was a blustery evening. It was during the World Series. I was born in Washington. I live in California. I've lived in California since I was 3. I currently have 2 dogs. I like to play sports and music and hang out with friends, work out, and eat food. I like to eat food. I like sweets.
Sweet tooth. Those are the hardest to kick.
Yeah. I like Disneyland. I'm single. No.
Ladies.
Yeah. No, that's about it. I mean, not very interesting. So.
That's not true. No, not true. So, so yeah, cool. I'm sure we'll probably get into more once the series goes on. The first episode or first recording or something is always kind of just awkward, so.
You can ask questions.
Yeah, feel free to ask any questions down below about Calvin, about training, anything you want, go ahead and put those comments down below. And I'm excited to get this started and have you guys follow along and kind of see his progress and all that stuff. So this is day 1. We'll be cleaning up the diet from here. Yeah, so best of luck, and I'm excited to work with you.
Me too.
Let the journey begin. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out, and we will see you next time.